how to download and add Dark Reader extension on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Google Chrome and then go to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for it on Google or just go to chrome.google.com. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just search here for Dark Reader and here you will find it. It has more than 4 million users, and click on add to Chrome, click add extensions, and you will find it right here, and then you can use it. As you can see, you can make any website dark if you want or light. You can manage the brightness and everything. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.